Hello students, we are going to discuss the topic on the media of public opinion formation, movies and television. It's a social psychology, session 38. In the previous session that we discussed about the media of public opinion formation, radio, the importance of radio and how it forms. Now let us discuss in this topic, in this session we will discuss about the television and the movies, how it form the public opinion. The TV or television is a source of information or communication. That we know that the major role of the TV or television is to spread the information and communicate with the people, like, and the television media play an important role, a significant role in formation of public opinion. Today the modern media of television has become a very vital part for them, like, and television work like a bridge between the governing bodies and the general public. The television is differ from the radio. Why? Because radio can reach any people, any area. That is what no bar for that. Though television requires some system, some facilities for that. Though there is a benefit of that, it will reach the people more effectively than radio, like that we know. It's the major duty of the television is to spread information, educate and entertain the public. While giving education, while spread the information, while giving entertainment, the television will form a public opinion or it will change the public opinion. Then let's see what the brief history of the television like. The television was first invented by John Logic Baird, a famous scientist of Scotland. Since 1950, television has been the main medium for molding the public opinion. But later the television has entered to the different aspect of, like, then it has been changed its theme of, like, though it play important role, that I can sure about that. Today's television is an important mean of entertainment and education as well as media of formation of public opinion. That's what I said. It's a main intention of that using television is for entertainment, though by entertainment it will form the public opinion. The television has the advantage of both radio and cinema, as like in television we can see the picture and listen to their conversations simultaneously. The benefit of that, why the people more of influence to a television, why? Because the radio you cannot see a person, like it can there will be no picture, there is no changes of videos, like, but here the lively you can see what is happening there. The speeches of VIP, important interviews of politicians, sessions in parliamentary, launching of rocket, the spacecraft, etc. are directly telecasted by the people, will form the opinion, like. The use of television that we can see, through the television we can see event, dramatic performance, musical functions, speech, exhibition which are held in the distance place of across the nations. So the people do not take a trouble to go out or outdoor to see the drama or musical function or football or cricket match, etc. What is happening outside. They can see what is happening outside in the world or a nation by sitting in their home or in the room. So this is one facility, that is what benefit of television, like. They can see these things at the home of television screen. So the television play what? It will form the opinion by doing all this activity, by telecasting these informations. Let us see the how when in India it was started televisions, like. Television came to in India on September 15, 1959 with the experimental transmission from the Delhi, like. And the objective was to find out what it can achieve in community development and formal education. The major aim of that implement emergence of television was to for the communication purpose as well as community development as well as for the education. Now it is shifted to many other aspects also. Let's go further. That movie is also one of the media that play important role in the formation of public opinion. In that the movie are the stories which movies and movies make the people to come out with the ideas about something they want to say something they want to tell someone. The movies, it is as a stories, it will give a detailed information about the thing, and by that also at the end of the movie there is some theme, there is some what concept behind that particular film will be there or movies. It will form the opinion, like the movies are educate people and form the public opinion. Movies makes aware of the things people never could have known. The people cannot imagine of something, people do not aware of, they do not think of that, it will be telecast, it will be given in the movies like by imaginary and something covering pictures, etc. So by that what happen, the people will develop a opinion towards that particular aspect or issues. Like the movies make aware of the things like which do not aware by the people. The movies share the things people might not known. They give us a way to explore the past, present and the future. See, by giving the present, past and future, it will have a different types of public opinion, like, and the moral values conveyed through the media of cinema have a long lasting or lasting effect on the audience. The audience will develop a some opinion at the end of that watching the particular movie. In movies, audience have a moral, emotional involvement in the cause of event and the role of various characteristics. Their language style and speaking does leave an impression on the spectators which which form the public opinion. So these are the information that we can see here, and the reference that you can do for this particular information, you can refer these textbooks. And thank you for watching. Thank you.